We are talking about champagne and tornadoes and how some people want to leave NATO. Not me, though. The ladies do not like it when you are musty or dusty. All right. Zip, zip, pow, smash, boom, goes the lightning. Nashville, Venus, and Mercury are retrograde, so the chance of me saying something stupid or me saying something smart that you interpret as stupid are high. National Weather Service Prediction Center, a winter storm with blizzard conditions begins today across the Central Plains. This blizzard will move northeast through the upper Midwest and into the Great Lakes by Thursday. Intense snowfall rates and damaging winds will create near impossible travel. But there will be one guy who travels through it impossibly. Probably with cross-country skis. And he probably doesn't go that far. We're talking dangerous blizzard conditions, major impacts to travel and infrastructure, heavy snow accumulations, and high winds in the South Plains. They released the John F. Kennedy files yesterday. I saw some guy said, I read all 80,000 pages. Joe Biden did it. Not sure believe that's true, but that's the thing about nowadays. You can believe whatever the hell you want. November 4th, 1963. President Kennedy has volunteered to be the first to receive a new vaccine against a variant of the common cold, which is based on top secret experimental messenger RNA technology. The president told the staff at Walter Reed, just give me the damn shot so I can eat the bats again. Please stop throwing Molotov cocktails at Teslas. And it doesn't seem like the Ukraine-Russian ceasefire talks are going well. Rose shocked face. Ooh, Nelly. We are in eclipse purgatory with the next eclipse solar partial coming in 11 days. NWS Storm Prediction Center scattered strong to severe storms are possible from central Illinois or Illinois into western Indiana or in Diana later today, especially from mid-afternoon into early evening. Several tornadoes, hail, and damaging wind gusts will all be possible. True story. All right. Yeah, and so the original warning used to just be yellow and this size, and then they were like, let's expand it. So that became the yellow, and this became the orange. Safety actions. All right, who is showing up for hump day today? So when you punch in spaghetti models to go to Mike's weather page, because it has a bunch of wonderful resources, that picture, interesting. Anyway, boom, we're there. All right, let us check out. First thing I do, usually go to full animated, just to see what type of weather's moving in. You get to see part of my process. All right, so you got some coming in up here, but this looks like it's got a lot of rain, snow, and then heavy rain. But yeah, Illinois and other areas, you were getting weather today. Oh, what is this? Conspiracy, man. They're harping, whatever area this is. They're harping you in the face. And if it gets to your nads, you're in trouble. Rest in peach, bitch. Or beach. See, B-E-A-C-H, that's what I said. Okay. Read. Timma says the tornado threat maximizes to 7 p.m. Wednesday. The Taylor Swift clone is pointing out that, yes, Xenoblade Chronicles X is a Transformers open world JRPG It's 10 times larger than Skyrim with 0 loading times. It sounds awesome. Because I need a new video game. But you have to buy a Switch. And I have a PS5. That's all I'm going to have, I think. Looks cool, though. What the heck? This video is sponsored by Gratuitous Hips. I guess summer's just right around the corner. Oh, I really hope this is true. Hey, y'all, only 12 more days in March. So that's exciting. March has been calmer than I thought it would be. My bad. I guess I should show the map to show the severity of the situation. You're talking blizzard up here. Boom. Super high winds in the beige. The pink is critical wildfire danger. And then the green is like flash flood areas. Okay. And then around the 23rd, 4 days, we'll watch out for another big tornado outbreak with heavy rain, heavy snow, high winds, and heavy precipitation. Woohoo! And I feel heavy metal. So how are you? I hope you're having a wonderful day. There was a massive oil spill in Ecuador's Esmeralda province, and it left nearly 500,000 people without drinking water and caused severe environmental damage. The rupture of the Trans-Ecuadorian oil pipeline system in Cuinidi, apparently triggered by a landslide. That's really, really, really bad. Really, really, really bad. And we know what happened because there are pictures of it. I'm going to hit some buttons because it's snowing in Tokyo. Don't you know it's snowing in Tokyo? I wanted to impress you with my singing, but then I was unimpressive. I apologize for that. But like I said, please stop throwing Molotov cocktails at Teslas. And I guess at any cars, really. All right. Do you really want to be a terrorist? Question mark. Your answer to that question should have been no. But not everyone agrees on everything all the time. Donald Trump and Elon Musk and J.D. Vance flew up to space, saved astronauts who were stranded and being held hostage by aliens. And then when they returned to Earth, dolphins who spoke English were like, "You guys are the coolest guys ever. Welcome to Earth." And then the dolphins gave them cheeseburgers and fries. Boom. So all's well that ends well. You know? Okay, so can y'all please also stop being mean to Susu_JPEG? Apparently, when she shows a picture, somebody has a meltdown over her boobs. Hey, how about this? How about everybody be awesome to everybody all the time for the rest of March? Does that sound cool? Does that work for you? Wonderful. But yeah, here comes Sunday. And are you yellow pilled? That sounds gross. Anywho, yeah, we're watching for big storms on Sunday. And then possible big storms today for Illinois and Iowa. There's no way someone's still listening to me 9 minutes in. And, stop keying Teslas. And I would even say, stop making fun of Elon. He can't take it. He just can't. Even though the guy trolls everybody all the time, especially during national disasters. I think it's a case where they could dish it out, but they can't take it. And he's like co-president now. So a large part of our government, or our future of our country, is in his hands. I would even say he's probably more powerful than the president. He tells the president what to do. I don't know, that sounds like a conspiracy theory. And it would probably make people mad. I should wrap this video up. Tesla stock is really in the shitter. Why can't we all just get along? Oh, now it won't let me stop. What the hell? See? All right, better wrap this one up. God bless everyone. And seriously, I'm being serious about this. Stay cool, be kind to everybody you can. All right? God bless everyone.